How did Hiccup lose his left leg? You've probably seen a bunch of fan theories about this. One of the darker and more popular ones is that when Hiccup fell into the fire, because he was falling head first, Toothless had to grab him by the leg and accidentally bite it off. But if you actually watch the movie closely, that doesn't really add up. Dragons always grab things with their claws or limbs. Even in the food stealing scenes, they never use their mouths. So what really happened? It's actually simple.
It got singed so badly that it probably had to be amputated if it wasn't already gone.
So it got burnt off because the director said so.